Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to double unbox this. These are the Eric Emanuel EE New Era trucker hat, Carolina blue, the snapback. This was dropped, and then my son got this $68 each plus tax and shipping fee. These about 70 something bucks. So he already sold one for $130 and then $750 to ship it out. So right now I'm going to unbox both of this, and both of them are like the same color. So let's go ahead and do this. So one of the boxes kind of smashed up, this one. Hopefully there's no invoice. Oh, there's invoice. So this one's the extra large, what the shipping label. So here it is. $68, $10 shipping, so there's no tax, $78 total. Got the tissue paper protecting it, which is good. I don't want to touch it and get dirty. So I got the E and then an E logo right there. New Era 940 adjustable. Got the New Era logo right here. There's your barcode right here. NYC 20. There's your mesh, and then Eric Emanuel. And this is a New Era one size fit most. 100% polyester. And it is made in China. Well, I can't believe this hat is costs more than Supreme or Palace. There's your snapback right here to adjust size. All right, let's go and check out the other one. The other one should be the same. So. This one right here. Yeah, the lid is so tight. So yeah, again, it's got the same description. So yeah, there you go. It is the same. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.